Hello and welcome to Edelweiss Comtrade video. I am Renisha from Commodities Research to present relaunch of agri products and present my monthly views on energy and metals. Firstly, it gives me immense pleasure to announce that we have relaunched the agri products and commodities research with the start of this new financial year 2011-12. We have restarted the agri intraday recommendations and agri advice daily report from today. Agri advice daily report would be sent to you on emails and would be updated on commodity homepage website by before 10 a.m. Intraday recommendations would be flashed on audience screens, Exodus, and through mobile SMS between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Now coming to monthly views on energy and metals, silver was the best performer during March month, rising more than 10%. Another all-time high of $38 and rupees 56,000 at MCX, and it has gained 7 consecutive months barring the January effect. Silver has been the only best performer in last month. It is the best performer of the quarter of the last 1 year. Also, it has surged 23% year to date, and its prices have doubled in last 1 year. A rise in the prices is supported by both rise in the industrial demand from the emerging market economies as well as the investment demand considering the gloomy global economy outlook as well as the geopolitical tensions in Japan and MENA region. For the month coming by, I expect prices to continue making new highs with a critical resistance of $38.5, which may lead to $40 and 59,000 rupees at MCX. This was supposed to be the stress-free year for the global economy. By January, the financial crisis had faded and Europe's sovereign debt crisis seemed less acute. America's economy was resurging and investors piled into equities and sold some of the government bonds they had bought during the troubled times. If there was a worry, it was only the emerging economies that would grow too quickly, inflating commodity prices. But however, the year without crisis is not to be. First, Arabian upheaval put oil prices on edge. Then an earthquake, tsunami and nuclear accident clobbered the third largest economy on 11th March, that is Japan, and soared the precious metal prices. Gold, a commodity which has never lost its value and always considered as a hedge against investment risk, underperformed in March month and gained only 1.5% on the monthly basis, making the new all-time high at $1450 on COMEX and 21,300 at domestic front. It traded very volatile during the month, making the all-time high, but still pressurized by the profit booking view by the traders as well as higher price levels. Geopolitical tensions remained in light and contributed heavily towards the skyrocketing prices. The Japanese earthquake with the supporting factors from MENA crisis as well as depreciating dollar and popping eurozone crisis pressurized the need for value investment. Inflation at developing countries has also supported the trend. I expect the prices to continue making new highs and the next landmark being $1500 and 22,000 at MCX. Base metal prices were underperformer in the last month, falling in the range of 2 to 7% on exchanges due to Japan's earthquake and tsunami effect. However, in the long term, the demand from metals is expected to rise on the reconstruction effort. Once the effects of natural crisis gets over and reconstruction would take place and rebuilding effort will require Japan to purchase huge amounts of industrial metals as it would need copper to replace electrical power cables damaged by the tsunami. Aluminium would be required for household appliances, then zinc for galvanized steel, lead for the battery consumption and nickel to make stainless steel for larger infrastructure. Crude oil prices jumped 6% in the last month and hovered around $107 to the highest since September 2008 and rallied for the third consecutive month on positive economic outlook. prevailing uncertainties in the oil market due to the MENA region crisis. And current situation in the oil market may provide strength to oil prices. However, in the higher oil prices may dampen economic growth, raising inflation concerns. The end of the winter season will put more pressure on the prices, further curbing heating demand. I expect crude oil prices to trade in the range of $95 to $110 for the April month, and geopolitical tensions will put some surge in the prices. This is all from my side. For more details, please read to our full monthly report by Happy Trading.